Hello everyone, today we are doing a real-world speed test between two machines. On the right side we have Windows HP laptop, which is powered by Ryzen 5 5000 series with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB storage. And on the left side we have the MacBook 14-inch with Apple's M4 chip. So instead of running synthetic benchmark, we'll test how both system performs in actual SharePoint framework development. So we'll run gulp surf without no browser, the same project. Currently both the machine has the same project, so we'll see which one handles SPFX builds faster and smoother. So let's see. On the right side, let me write gulp surf and then no browser. I'm not hitting the enter. On the left side, let me also do the same thing, gulp surf, no browser. So let's test. I will also start the timer. Ready, let me start and hit enter. Okay, Windows, MacBook. Okay, built successfully in 10 seconds, and let's wait for the Windows. Okay, 34 seconds. Both system handles SPFX development well, but the MacBook M4 clearly provides a smoother and faster experience, especially in the build times. Ryzen 5 is also a great value for money if you are on Windows and want native SharePoint tools. For developers who compile SPFX projects daily, M4 MacBook offers significant time saving and more efficient workflow. Thank you. Until next time, keep coding and keep building.